Today at 57, 27 years later after starting my profession, I think the most important learning that I've had is that I am a witness to the life experiences of my clients. And I don't think any university degree, any college education would have ever given me this opportunity to understand life and its various nuances, differences, obvious lessons which I get from learning through my clients' experience. That has been my greatest learning. I think one of the things that happened was I became very good at observation and listening, and then post my marriage, because I had to become a caregiver for my brother-in-law who was schizophrenic, I started paying attention a lot to what was happening to him. I was observing and I was listening, so I decided to learn counseling. When I enrolled in the program, from day one I began to discover myself, and that motivated me to learn more and more. And I continued studying various courses that were related to counseling for at least 8 to 10 years before I became fully convinced that this was what I wanted to do. I think the first challenge that I really want to highlight was 25 years ago when I started. People in India didn't understand what counseling was, so they thought, what is she doing, just going and listening to people, and how is that a profession? So they didn't take me seriously, and it took me a lot of time and courage and energy to convince people that this was a profession. Also, in terms of having clients, the first 1 year I sat waiting for at least one client and there was no one. So I think these were the two most difficult challenges. But having said that, I was so driven by my passion of what I'm discovering about myself that I never stopped wanting to be a counselor. That made me continue, and today it's that same drive and passion that continues for me every day. There's not a day in the past 27 years that I've woken up in the morning and said, I don't want to continue this profession. I think to the general viewers and public, I would say that counseling is a very empowering process, because all of us have resources within us, and if we face those uncomfortable aspects of us, we become really empowered, because we find our own strengths. And to other therapists, I would say that going for personal therapy is really the key of therapists becoming effective in their profession. Just day before, I was telling client system of mine, which is a client family of mine, I think the biggest gift I receive from my clients is the honor that I have by just being present when they are exposing their vulnerabilities. I think this is the best thing that's ever happened. That I'm a witness to the difficulties of so many people, and I watch them overcome their difficulties and face life with new energy and new hope.